Stangibelisco here. Last night I received an email from a viewer of my videos asking a technical question about electricity basics. And it indicated, as time went on, we had a little exchange of emails. It indicated as time went on that in order to satisfactorily answer these questions, this viewer would need me as a private tutor on site, which was rather difficult proposition because of the physical geographical separation between us, or some basic electricity and electronics introductory books, because the confusion was such that it would require extensive explanation to clarify all of the difficulties that this viewer was having. And that doesn't mean the viewer was stupid by any stretch. One of my favorite radio ham friends, when I was a young radio ham, 13, 14, was at one time the city attorney of a particular town, and he had a technical question which was very deep and indicated a very fundamental need for some kind of, it was something that just wasn't that easy to explain, maybe even impossible. Just could not understand something about radio wave propagation, something along that order. And I just couldn't seem to get the idea through, even in person. I am not, by any means, a genius teacher. I try. I cannot, however, provide every viewer who asks me a question with a satisfactory answer, and the best I can do is to refer such viewers or readers to various publications that might help them. Now, I have two recommendations as sources for publications on basic electricity and electronics. First, go to my website, sciencewriter-dot-net, and then click on the link entitled Books Available at Amazon, and you will find a roster of all of the publications that I've ever had in several languages, as a matter of fact, about electricity, electronics, and general science and mathematics and ham radio and all kinds of things. One of these might help you. I would just recommend that you look through them, read the reviews, decide whether or not such a book is for you. If so, get it through Amazon, preferably in the hard copy edition, not the electronic edition. Or some other source, maybe your public library would have it. And check it out, see if it helps you. The second recommendation is the organization to which I belong as a radio ham, the American Radio Relay League, ARRL, ARRL. Go to the website www.arrl.org. That's Alpha Romeo Romeo Lima. arrl.org, and search for publications. I think that you will find some help there, so at least some ideas. They have a number of excellent publications that they produce on elementary electricity and electronics concepts. And they also have a technical information service available to members. And I believe they have their telephone number listed on their website. I haven't been there lately, so I can't really tell you, but exactly what's on there now and it also depends on your browser platform. Some browsers are more ARRL friendly than others. However, I would recommend you do that and join that organization, whether you're a radio ham or not. I don't think you have to be one in order to join the organization. They need all the help they can get to support amateur radio. Then you can call their technical information service or their lab or their technical department and see if you can get specific answers to some of your questions. Because these questions that I was asked last night were just not the sort of thing that I could possibly answer by email. It was just impossible. I do the best that I can, but sometimes I just ain't good enough. That's all there is to it. But I think that with these two sources, my own books, some of them might help you, and ARRL publications and services can also be a definite help. Because in order to become a ham radio operator, you have to know basic electricity and electronics principles. That's my recommendation of the day. And if you have any of your own, leave a comment. I'm going to leave comments open and see what happens. See what kind of... Never mind, Stanley, shut up. Stan Gibilisco, signing off. Until next time, so long.